Smith and I teach A-level Sociology at Meaden School. So what is sociology and why should you choose to study it? So sociology is defined quite simply as the study of society. It considers the different aspects of society, such as the family, the criminal justice system, and schools. And it considers how human interactions and beliefs can affect how society functions. We are not an island. We don't go through life in isolation. So this subject gives us the opportunity to really consider how our lives are shaped by those around us. But why choose to study at Meaden? So I'm an experienced sociology teacher with a good knowledge of exam skill and achieving the highest possible grades. I have marked for AQA over the past few years and have a really good knowledge of what examiners look for. The department has a 100% pass rate and achieves good outcome each year. And you will have the opportunity to complete your own research during the course, which isn't something that would be offered by different places of study. At the end of year 13, you will be assessed by 3 2-hour exams. Within these exams, there will be a mixture of shorter questions that are 4 and 6 marks, and then longer pieces of extended writing, such as your 20 and 30 mark essays. Here are the different subjects that you would learn during the course. So you can see that paper 1 is education and then research. Paper 2 is families and households and mass media. And paper 3 is crime and deviance with theories and research methods included. So I will go through each of those in a bit more detail. So within the education topic, we will look at different forms of education. So what are different types of schools? What different provisions can you have? We look at the functions of education in society. So why is it important? Why do we need it? We look at the reasons behind different achievements and outcomes for different classes, different genders, different ethnicities. We consider the different social policies linked to education, such as the creation of academies, the implementation of free school meals and pupil premium, and the impact that's had on achievement. And we compare education in today's society to more historical curriculums. In research methods, we consider the scientific method of experiments, such as making hypotheses, gathering participants and samples, carrying out the scientific research, analyzing findings, and then considering the strengths and weaknesses of all the different methods that we learn. In the families topic, we look at the different family types that exist in society, both historically and in the modern day. We look at the functions of the family and why we need it in society. We look at the power relationships that exist within different family types. So are the men in charge? Are women in charge? Is it more equal in today's society because of things like feminism? We look at marriage and divorce and any changes over the years in the rates of each of those. And we look at laws that include the family. We also consider within this topic the changes that have occurred in childhood, so the impact of modern technology on the experience of people being a child. In the mass media topic, we look at traditional media forms such as newspapers and the radio, and then also the new media such as social media. We consider who creates these different forms of media and how it can be used to manipulate its audiences. So, for example, how politicians can use short ads on Facebook as part of their campaigns. In the crime topic, we look at why we have crime in society, who are the people in society committing the crimes, and what are the theories explaining why those individuals commit crimes. What are the different punishments that we have in our society, and do they work? And we also look at how crime has developed. Now we are more connected with the rest of the world. Now, as already mentioned, if you choose to study sociology at Meaden, you would have the opportunity to conduct your own research. So if there was a particular area that you were interested in, you would be able to plan some research around that area. So creating your own hypotheses, gathering your own participants, creating your own resources for that experiment, and then analyzing your data afterwards. So this gives you a chance to really practice those research methods that you've learned. Now, sociology is a very popular subject because it does cross over with a lot of other areas of study. So it crosses over with history, English, psychology, geography, economics, and law, along with other subjects as well. Now, sociology is linked to so many careers that you may be interested in. Anything to do with people, groups of people, or agencies in society, you will find that A-level sociology is really useful. So the jobs that I've put on here is just a small selection of ones that really suit sociology. Now, over the next few slides, there's some opinions of our current sociology students.